Stop paying for Zapier, stop paying for Make, stop paying for IFTTT. I replaced all 5 of my paid automation tools with one free workflow engine, and it runs on my own machine. No monthly fees, no data leaks, no upgrade your plan pop-ups. It's called n8n. And by the end of this video, you'll have your first workflow running. So here's the problem. Every automation tool out there wants a monthly cut. Zapier's free tier gives you 100 tasks. Make gives you 1,000 operations. But the moment you actually want to do something, connect a real API, run real logic, process real data, you hit a paywall every single time. n8n flips that model. It's open source. You can run it on your own machine, your laptop, a $5 VPS, a Raspberry Pi if you want to get creative. No per-task pricing, no upgrade to unlock this node. Every integration, every feature, all yours. Think of it this way. Zapier is a hotel. Nice, convenient, but you pay per night and they control the keys. n8n is a house you own. Takes a bit more setup, but once it's running, it's yours forever. Before I show you the build, let me show you what we're replacing. 5 tools, 5 monthly charges, 1 email digest. I was paying for a SaaS tool that summarizes my emails every morning. Gone. 2 social media scheduler, posting to Twitter and LinkedIn on a schedule. Gone. 3 invoice tracker, monitoring Stripe for new payments and logging them in Sheets. Gone. 4 RSS reader, pulling articles from blogs I follow and dropping them in Notion. Gone. 5 file organizer, watching my downloads folder and sorting files by type. Gone. 1 n8n workflow, all 5. Let's build it. Step 1. Get n8n running. If you have Docker, this is literally one command, that's it. n8n is now running on localhost :5678. Open it in your browser and you're looking at the workflow editor. Now, you can use n8n Cloud if you want managed hosting, but that's still paying someone else to run free software. Self-hosting is the move. $5 a month on a DigitalOcean droplet and you never think about it again. If Docker scares you, I'll put a one-click setup script in the description. But seriously, one command. This is not the hard part. Step 2, let's start building. First node, cron trigger. This fires every morning at 7 a.m. Your workflow wakes up when you do. Node 2, Gmail node. We pull the last 24 hours of emails. n8n connects to Gmail with OAuth, same as Zapier. But here's the difference. We don't pay per email pulled. We pull 100, 1,000, doesn't matter. Node 3, AI node. This is where it gets good. We pass those emails to a local LLM. You can use Allama, or if you want Cloud AI, OpenAI works too. The instruction: summarize these emails, flag anything urgent, ignore newsletters and spam. 10 seconds later, you have a clean digest. Now, simultaneously, when we're running an RSS node, pulling feeds from the blogs I actually read. Same trigger, parallel branch. The RSS items go straight into Notion via the Notion node, no manual curation, it just flows. Next branch, social posting. Another cron trigger, different time, 9 a.m., Monday through Friday. This pulls pre-written posts from a Google Sheet and pushes them to Twitter and LinkedIn using their API nodes. Same thing I was paying a scheduler $15 a month to do. And here, the invoice tracker. A webhook trigger fires every time Stripe processes a payment. n8n catches the webhook, pulls the payment data, formats it, and logs it in Google Sheets. Real time, no manual entry, no third-party sync tool. Think of n8n as the hands of the system. It doesn't ask for permission, it just executes. Last piece, the file organizer. This one uses a watch folder trigger. It monitors my downloads directory. When a new file lands, n8n checks the file extension PDF, image, code file, whatever, and moves it to the right folder. PDFs go to documents, images go to media, scripts go to code. 0 clicks from me. Now here's what the full workflow looks like. One entry point can trigger multiple branches, or separate triggers for separate branches. n8n doesn't care. You wire it however you want. It's a visual programming language. Every node is a function, every connection is a data pipe. And the best part? This entire thing costs exactly $0 a month to run. The compute is yours. The data stays on your machine. No API limits, no task quotas, no upgrade to pro screens. Quick break, if you're building automation systems like this, I'm putting together a library of workflow templates, n8n, local AI, ghost scripts, all free. Hit subscribe and you'll get them as they drop. Back to the build. Let's test it. And there it goes. Watch the execution log. Each node lights up green as data flows through. Email node pulled 23 emails. AI node processed in 8 seconds. Notion node 7 articles written. All green, no errors. This is what sold me on n8n over everything else, the execution logs. So, 5 tools, 5 subscriptions, $147 a month, replaced by one self-hosted n8n workflow that does more, costs nothing, and keeps your data where it belongs, on your machine.